Behind the sealed doors of Lamborghini, precision engineering begins long before a single bolt is tightened.
Suspension components are calibrated designed to grip the road at unimaginable speeds. Forged in fire, refined under extreme heat, steel becomes the backbone of precision engineering. Flattened with absolute accuracy. Every millimeter engineered for strength and perfection. Raw steel enters the system, ready to take its first form. Thousands of tons of pressure, shaping identity in a single strike. Each panel crafted with flawless geometry, built to fit like a puzzle. Robots move with surgical precision, welding strength into every joint. The body rises, a structure engineered for safety and performance. Purified and prepared, ready for its flawless finish. A hidden shield, protecting against time and corrosion. Inside the cabin, comfort and technology come to life.
See here on the schematic, this tolerance is critical. We can't afford any deviation on the linkage.
Understood. I'll use the laser alignment tool.
Power refined, translated into seamless motion. Sealed against the elements. Built to endure. The first heartbeat, machine comes alive. Raw carbon fiber sheets arrive, lightweight yet stronger than steel, the foundation of a supercar's soul. Robotic arms move in synchronized harmony, cutting, layering, and preparing every panel with micron-level accuracy. The monocoque chassis takes form, ultra-light, ultra-rigid, the backbone of Lamborghini performance.
Welding sparks ignite the darkness,
each joint fused with absolute precision for maximum strength.
The naturally aspirated V10 engine begins assembly, each piston, each crankshaft balanced to perfection.
Every engine is tested under extreme conditions, pushed to its limits before it ever meets the road.
The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. High-performance electric motors delivering instant torque with zero delay.
Robots fuse every joint. Micron-perfect welds, ensuring unmatched rigidity.
Single-speed transmission optimized for seamless acceleration. Power electronics convert energy, controlling every pulse of performance. Solid front and rear axles, built for true off-road dominance. Each engine begins as precision-crafted components. Hand-assembled, one engineer, one engine, pure performance. Advanced transmission systems deliver seamless power. Powertrain meets chassis. Strength meets intelligence.
Steel transforms into the iconic G-Class silhouette.
Each door engineered for that unmistakable solid close. The body takes shape, bold, box, unmistakable. Protection begins beneath the surface, built to last decades. Layers of perfection begin with precision coating.
Automated robots weld each joint. Over thousands of precision weld points lock the structure together.
Laser-guided systems scan every weld, ensuring zero structural compromise.
The bare metal body enters a chemical bath, achishai every impurity for perfect paint adhesion. Robotic sprayers glide in perfect harmony, applying primer with flawless consistency.
Wiring harnesses are connected, powering every intelligent feature. Infotainment systems are embedded, delivering connectivity and control.
Interior craftsmanship begins. Premium leather, hand-stitched, with unmatched attention to detail.
The painted body panels enter drying chambers, where heat seals the iconic Lamborghini finish. The transmission system is assembled engineered for lightning-fast gear shifts and seamless power delivery.
Suspension components are calibrated designed to grip the road at unimaginable speeds.
The transmission system is assembled engineered for lightning-fast gear shifts and seamless power delivery.
Thousands of connections, forming the nervous system of the Electrica. Adaptive suspension, tuned for balance between comfort and control. The heart of the machine, securely integrated. Simulated roads, testing durability and control.
Advanced liquid cooling, stabilizing performance under extreme demand.
Doors, hood, and tailgate are attached, perfectly aligned with precision robotics. High-strength steel is shaped with extreme precision. Every panel is forged under thousands of tons of force. Robots ensure flawless structural integrity. The Defender's backbone takes shape. Speed meets global demand. Across oceans, delivering Italian engineering worldwide.
Here are the keys to your brand new F-150. Congratulations.
Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. I can't wait to drive it.
Speed meets logistics, reaching elite destinations faster. Crossing oceans, carrying precision engineering.
Here, the moment you helped build.